Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to upload your app on the iTunes Store. Click on iTunes Connect to submit your app to the App Store. On iTunes Connect, enter your Apple ID and password in the given space. Click on the My Apps icon on the Apple Store Connect page. Proceed ahead by clicking on iOS 1.0 Prepare for Submission. Below the dialog box of version information, you can locate the Choose File option. Click on it, choose your file, and open it. For instance, golive.png. In version information, fill relevant details including keywords like testing, support URL, and description of the app. Now fill all the details in general app information, enter the version number of your app, and copyright details if any. Edit age rating by selecting from the options given in the checklist and click on Done. You can choose the route app coverage file also. Enter the game information if you are uploading a gaming app. Proceed on app review information. Enter the contact information in the first name, last name, contact number, and email address. Also, enter the notes related to the app if you feel so. Move ahead to the version information and select Automatically Release the Version. Now in the Build section, click on See Upload Tools. You will be redirected to the Upload Tools page. Click on Upload your app binary files with the Transporter app. Download the Transporter app from the App Store by simply clicking the Open option. As you open the Transporter app, a window will appear, prompting you to add app for testing. Add your app by clicking on the plus button on the taskbar. Select the app and click Open. Copying of the app might take a few seconds depending on the speed of your internet connection. After copying and examining the app, you need to check the basic information mentioned in Deliver Your App dialog box and click on the Next button. Finally, your app will be auto-uploaded to the iTunes Store in a few minutes. That's all. This is how easy it is to upload your app to the iTunes Store. After uploading, once your application has been approved, you will receive an email confirmation of your approval. You can also check the status of your app anytime by logging into iTunes Connect at any time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any of the latest videos.